Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to earn 60 NLP credits on WriterZen. NLP credits will help you to create your blog post respecting Google's new natural language. And that's the whole thing for SEO right now, that Google is more humane, as I have been explaining on my SEO classes. And WriterZen just launched a promo where you can earn 60 NLP credits for free. They are expensive and you are getting it for free. You just need to review WriterZen on Capterra and G2 and then AppSumo, or send a video testimonial to them. Just write a review on the 3 platforms or send a video testimonial. Then you drop an email to them at feedback@writerzen.net with the screenshots of the review, and the team will verify it in 7 days. And enjoy the credits you earned. Pretty simple. And if you didn't get WriterZen yet, I added a link in the description with the best price. And also I'm adding a link where you can get 10K free credits in Jasper AI. Thank you so much. Bye bye.